All right, so here are the top three things that I look for when getting into investment properties. Number one is the property condition. How much work is it going to need up front right away, and how much work is it going to need over the long term of taking care of the properties? Some properties are well kept and taken care of, some are not. The ones that are not, you've really got to put a lot of time and money into, so you just have to account for that. Number two is rental income. I look for opportunities where can we increase the rental income? Can we do some upgrades to the properties that will immediately or in a short period of time allow us to increase the rental income, in essence increasing the value of the property and the revenue that the property can bring in. And the last thing I look for is location, meaning location is if the property is in a better location, it's obviously going to appreciate better in value over time. And if you look for those three things and you kind of take your time and evaluate the property properly, you should be able to make good, sound decisions on your next investment purchase.